Welcome back to a new video friends. Today I'm going to tell you about how can you check build number in vivo phone. Guys, you want to check build number in vivo phone, so guys you can check easily in this video. Guys, we will talk about how to check build number in vivo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So right now time to start video. First of all open your phone setting, so I will on it and guys scroll it, and then guys click on about phone. It's about phone, click here, software information, then guys fourth one, 1 2 3 4 5, sorry 5 one, guys build number. You can check this build number, guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to check build number in vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.